I'm relieved about. Catherine, I'm going to sing a bit of the song now.
Here is the outfit for today. I'm wearing the same top as I did for Pride, and skirts and just tights, so nothing too fancy. Pretty normal outfit for me. It's just the top, which is kind of extra nice today. So basically today I'll be going to was it artist masterclass event where it was organized by business people for artists to come and learn about the platform, and the interns have been invited to this event, so that's exciting. And then yeah, later on in the evening there's a intern event, hence why dressed like this. For the exhibition we're going to Kiss My Genders, I thought it's a suitable outfit for that. So yeah, got a lot going on today, plus obviously work as usual in between that. Doing some bits and bobs, checking emails like usual, and then I think I'm going to do a bit more work and then heading off to Hampstead to go to the event. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. This is such a mess right now. Somehow I decided to go pee because I was like, I really need to go. And then basically lost everyone for some bit of time. And I was like, oh no, what do I do? Maybe I'll head home. And then nobody was responding for a bit. But luckily they're out Wagamamas apparently. Here right now. So hopefully they're in there. Just went to the ICA to see their like little exhibition area upstairs. Like usually the exhibitions are really small. I think that's one way to say it. Actually, I think it's gonna rain right now. But yeah, I'm heading back now. Wore my Spotify jacket today because it's my last day because I'm like back in 2 weeks time working there permanently. And then yeah, heading back now because it's raining like I said. And then I think I'm gonna grab lunch on a day, treat myself because I don't really feel like having salad today. It's cute.
Let you go down. I just said I'm going to get my best friend.
I felt like the journey here was more long than today itself. I was like, oh, I'm so ready to come, and then I was like, I'm lost.
That's Microsoft for you. The whole of downstairs is literally rented out. I was just talking to my...
Because I was like, I'm not going to say I for a certain place because I was like, I don't know you guys. So I was like, I'm just going to be like, I'm walking and ask you to pick me up. It's like back front. It's cute.
Wait till you get outside of this bed.
Yeah, they're really friends, and I went the same time and I met them out there, so I was away with them.
Hi guys, so I'm finally making a vlog to summarize what I've been doing this week in case I haven't mentioned it already throughout the other videos I'm putting in this vlog. This week has been the final week of my internship, so I've been doing a lot of different things, been busy with kind of events plus actually work itself. Had a lot of different things to do, but I'm going to make a whole separate video on my internship experience at Spotify to actually do it justice. It's been like 3 months I've been there, which is actually crazy how fast it's gone by. Okay, so to start off with, I went to the Masters of Spanish Renaissance at the National Gallery on Tuesday, I believe. I'm trying to remember in my head. So much has happened. This was by Bartolome Bermego. Don't know if I'm pronouncing the names right. I never do. The artist, I appreciate Renaissance art, but I just don't know much about it. Plus, I'm into so many different types of art, it's hard to keep up. And it was absolutely amazing. The vibrant, rich colours into the pieces of work is what makes it stand out. So that is kind of one of the core reasons I think why you're not allowed to take pictures, to obviously not damage the piece of work. But I think you really get to appreciate it when you're in a very small intimate room where nobody's using their phones or cameras to take pictures, to really enjoy the piece of artwork in front of you. Besides the rich colours that are used, there's so much detail, and you can tell how technical the artist is in capturing the right emotions into the scene that you're looking at in front of you. And when you look at the paintings, you can tell the story that the artist is trying to portray, and there's just so much going on, so much to take in, that I spent quite a while in the room. And then there was also a timeline of the main points in the artist's life, so it was all very interesting since I didn't really know much about the artist. Seen a couple pictures of the exhibition, which is why I went. And I also bought a postcard. I was so excited that this exhibition actually had postcards that you could buy, and they were large postcards, so I bought this one. Yes, it's the correct way, but absolutely love the little character in this piece. Like, some of them I look at and there's that sort of like fantasy-esque feel about them, because obviously they're trying to depict demons, and they're trying to make them so different and odd creatures that you see the knight in armor slaying this small creature, and you're like, wow, that's awesome. I absolutely love this, so I had to buy it. And then next, so I know this outro is going to be longer than usual, but I'm going to try and speak as fast as possible. So much went on. Next is I went to the South Bank Centre. This was with the other interns. We had booked tickets to see Kiss My Genders. The first part we did was we were waiting for everyone to go to the toilet. Everyone had to go to the toilet, even though we had just left the Underbelly was the place where we went to drink. We had just left there and nobody decided to pee, so whilst waiting, I went into the little free exhibition space. It is by Fabricio Segala. Here is Elsewhere. So it's made up of 49 photographs by late South African photographer. It's amazing to see all these photos on South Africa. I've been watching YouTubers going to South Africa lately and seeing just the amazing scenic photographs as videography of people going on these amazing holidays, which is so inspiring. I'm just like, I really want to go to Africa now and explore these amazing countries that are so different from Europe. Trip in the future, maybe. But yeah, it was amazing. Too bad there's no pictures here, but obviously I have footage that I'm putting in the video and probably right now. But obviously next, the main part of my while I was in South Bank was for the Kiss My Genders exhibition. Here's the little booklet, and this is very detailed. It has like information from all the different artists that were there, which is amazing. I've never seen such a detailed booklet, I don't think. And it also tells you what events are on at the back and everything. It's amazing. You know, I need to go to more exhibitions at the Hayward Gallery, but absolutely love the exhibition. I wore the shirt that I also wore to Pride to kind of really get in the mood. As always, love the displays about drag. Absolutely love it. Love RuPaul's Drag Race as well. But it's so interesting to explore the LGBT community through the lives of different people, and also the creative artwork to do with that kind of space. It's always amazing to see what you can capture about the progress in the LGBT community in an artistic way. Definitely some exhibition to check out. Absolutely loved it. Was definitely, I didn't even spend money on it, but I would have spent money because it was like actually planned in my calendar, but I got free tickets and it was like with the other awesome interns, so it was a great evening. And then moving on next, the final place I went to, so that was on a Thursday at one of the lates. After work we went there all together. The Hayward Gallery opens late on a Thursday. whilst the National Gallery I actually went at lunchtime on the Tuesday. And then finally I also went to the Institute of Contemporary Arts. Oh, it actually has like, you know, what's going on there at the back, but this was by Davinia and Robinson Plasticized Sensation. So this was literally just one room with just that artwork what I just showed you on the screen. It's a very small installation exploring pleasure and structures of power surrounding erotic for women of colour. So fascinating, the piece of artwork. It was like this braided, I don't know, pigtail pony, braided hair with this orange thing dripping from it, hanging from a wood block. That you could see the remains of the orange dripping thing on this plank of wood. I couldn't hack the meaning of it unless I was talking to the artist and seeing what their thought process was creating this piece of artwork. I guess the orange kind of sticky liquid is the plasticized sensation part. The braided hair was representing, I guess, the feminine kind of bit put into the art. So paired together, plasticized sensation. So yeah, that was literally everything that happened this week. As I said, this has been the last week of my internship. It's been great being in London. I've been able to create all these different vlogs that I don't usually get the chance to do, and show you guys what I get up to when I'm in London. Yeah, pretty much. I go to exhibitions throughout the year. The day and night I'll be doing work, and in between I'll be going to exhibitions and don't really have time to edit photos or videos in between. But because I'm working now, once I come home from work, I know I have free time to do whatever I want, and with a schedule like that I can produce content like this for you guys, which I've really enjoyed, to be honest. And hopefully in the future I'll be making more videos like this. And as always, leave suggestions down below of what you would like to see, especially stuff and events in London. Definitely want to check out more different kind of events. I know obviously this is me my final week, but once I output this video I would have been to London Design Week and European Heritage Days in Paris, which I'm going to Paris soon. So yeah, a little review of what future videos will come along. And yeah, thanks for watching guys, like always, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.